Hey guys, Craig here again, howtopest.com. You may be wondering why we are in my bathroom at my house. What kind of pest control company would we be if we didn't show you bathroom etiquette? So if you'll join me here, we're going to show you the first step is to unbutton your pants. Ha! Just kidding. But we are in my bathroom for a reason. Let's say it's 8 o'clock at night. Your phone's ringing off the hook. You're trying to have a nice dinner with your wife. It's your daughter's calling. You ignore the first one, but then another one comes in. You finally pick up the phone and your daughters are threatening you to spray the house, otherwise they will call Orkin. Now you've tried to hold them off by telling them Terminix has a better deal, but they don't want to hear it. They want their dad, who is supposed to know pest control, to come home and get rid of that spider that they keep texting you pictures of the size and how much arachnophobia is going on in their bathroom right now. So the first thing you do when you come home from your lovely night out with your wife is you grab your how-to ready-to-spray Temprid Ready-Spray. You don't go out to your truck and grab your backpack. You don't grab your handheld. This is just a fast, easy way. Bayer has now put Temprid Ready-Spray into a ready-to-go bottle. So those of you who live in small apartments, small houses, you don't have big areas to spray, this is your go-to. Just take it out, shake it up, insert the straw, and spray. How you're going to spray this? You're going to have areas of concern that mine personally, where the spiders are. As you can see, I'm in my flip-flops. I'm not even in my pest control gear. What you do is you come down 12 to 18 inches away from the area and you spray. It's gonna be about a 2-second burst, 1-second burst. You're trying to cover about 1 to 2 square feet of area. You don't want to do more than that. This isn't your just let it go spray. This is crack, crevice, and spot. Bed bugs, awesome. This has always been an awesome bed bug product. It is going to kill pyrethroid resistant bed bugs. You can spray this on the seams of mattresses. You cannot spray this where bodies are going to make contact with the mattress. Furniture that's infested, you can spray that in the seams, the cracks, the crevices. But if you need a quick go-to product, guys, and you don't want to bust out the arsenal that's on your truck, a lot of pest guys will just carry this. They can grab it real quick. They can knock out an ant problem that's in a corner of a house without having to bring in all that equipment. So once again, Temprid Ready-Spray by Bayer. Awesome product. Any questions, shoot them down at the bottom. We'd be happy to answer. Take care.